Well, hey folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Mollies Club. We're going to take up the Freewing Avanti S. Going to have a little bit of fun with it. I tell you what, this is by far, well, not by far, but is my favorite EDF jet. Second favorite is my FMS Futura version 3. This is like a four-wheel drive truck jet. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. And my rates for this bad boy are 100% throws over 20% expo. I think that's all, yeah, all the way around. So, all right, you know what? We'll try low rates right now, since I haven't flown in a while, which.
Motor off, motor on, mid rates, low rates.
Low rates are 70% with 20% expo.
Mid rates.
Mid rates are 80%. Then high rates are 100% with 20%. So let's try, we'll try mid rates for right now. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right.
Motor off, motor on.
Wind is basically across the runway, so whichever way I land, it doesn't really matter. Just whatever way, pilot's choice, basically. All right.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Oh, I know I'm up awfully high. Springer by low, so I can see that the gear is down. And they are. I can tell that I'm running a smaller battery in her. She's flying light, flying a little tail heavy, because I can't get battery positions about as far forward as I can get it. All right. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about.
Motor off.
I usually run a China Hobby 5000, which is just a big old heavy brick in her. And hold on just a second. All right, it's just a big old heavy brick. But I brought 4300 roaring tops today, so the 5000 Smart Pack would go here, and they're a lighter battery 5000. The China Hobby, which is a heavier 5000, would go here and then back. But I can't go any further forward to compensate for this lighter battery because of the smart board. I could try, you know, but see, if I go any further forward, then I don't have any battery strap to hold that battery in. So really, I should have thought ahead and just brought the heavier 5000. But tell you what, this is just a great flying jet. I'm gonna go ahead and switch her back to high rates, and helps to turn the motor on. Maybe it's just me, but
Flaps up.
all right. Just a great flying jet, really is. All right.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down, landing flap.
I do love that howl. Do love the howl.
Flaps up.
Yeah, do love that howl.
Landing flaps. Gear down. Time remaining 1 minute.
Gonna be in the grass, but that's okay. Still got a minute left. All right.
Take off flaps.
Take off flaps.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Seconds.
Out of the power now. Whoa! Oh! Pop my nose off. Pop my nose off, man. That's okay. That's what. Let that nose take that kinetic energy and pop off. Guarantee there's no damage. A little sideways there, but I tried to turn too soon. But the grass caught the nose, and the nose is magnetic. And just whoop, pops right back on. All right.
Motor off. Flaps up.
Make sure I don't have any damage on that gear. I don't think I do. All right. Nose is a little bit wonky now, but that's okay. Look at that. Yeah. That gear is fine. That gear is fine. All right. Yeah. Good looking plane. Good looking jet. I'll tell you what. All right. Well, there you go. We're going to end it for that flight. That is the Avanti S. High performance 80mm ducted fan. Fabulously plane to fly. And just so you, in case you didn't catch my setup, let me open that up. That little black thing there is just a little antenna I put in there just to give me a place to grab a hold of the canopy. This is where I have an AR620, and this is where I put the 4300. Now, the bigger the battery, the heavier, the further back I would go. I prefer, wish I would have brought my 5000 China Hob. They're a heavier battery, would have put them there, and would have had more purchase with a strap, but that's okay. That's okay. Dang it, keep dropping the... But yeah, this is just a tough jet, and a very stable jet, fun to fly, and I highly recommend her. If you can stomach the $400 or $399 that she costs, she's a great stable jet. That's the only reason I don't recommend her for a beginner jet, because she is $400 and she is a 80mm and takes the big 5000s, preferably. So that means there's a lot more expense involved, so that can be a little daunting for a new pilot. So Thank you so much for a new pilot for jets. This is not a beginner jet, or beginner plane. This is a beginner EDF as far as I'm concerned, because she's so stable and so locked in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to write me, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I cannot talk today. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.